Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see time spent on Facebook. So first you have to launch your Facebook app on your mobile device. And on the top right corner, there's a three-line icon. Tap on that option. And on the bottom that says settings and privacy, simply tap on that. And from that, you have to select the settings option. And we have to scroll a bit. And in the preferences you will see an option that says your time on Facebook right below the media. Select that option. So we could see small boxes over here, and on the first box you have to tap on that so that you will see your time, and you could simply see the option that how you spend your time on Facebook. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. I hope this video helps you to know that how you spend your time on Facebook.